Okay, bye, Kitty. He's no longer on here.
Man, denied the content so fast. Oh, sorry.
Finally.
Yo,
Why are you in the way?
Wrong place, wrong time. Okay, that was.
No, that happens a lot. Gio, stop being in the way. Oh.
Box number 1.
I don't know why there's 2 boxes when we ordered only 1 prototype, so we're gonna find out why.
Yeah, they packaged it in 2 separate boxes.
I see. No, I figured. So we gotta piece it together. What?
This is now the dedicated paper rope section. Okay. Panel number 1. What is this?
Oh wait. Oh, it's in each panel.
Yes.
I see.
Oh, this is a side panel.
Number 7. Oh, they.
They labeled it.
Wow. Okay.
Panel number 1.
Honestly, if unboxing is just gonna be each panel at each time, so we're gonna just. We'll be right back.
We'll put it all in a nice, neat, organized space.
We'll be right back when it's time to assemble.
Yes, sir.
Let's see durability.
Shatter though.
Wow.
That's good quality.
Dude, it's heavy.
This is actually pretty heavy.
Yo, crown for Chris.
What's it called?
Oh, that.
Curl this.
Pretty heavy.
Curl it.
Curl.
Test.
Hold by the tip and curl it.
Yeah. Make it hard for yourself.
Wait, I haven't curl. Let me grab it like this. It's not that heavy. You need like. This is
Pull it
actually
like,
light.
pull it like this.
It's like this. It's
Like
got
this.
it's got a
Can I curl it?
balance between like manageable versus.
Okay, now hold it with 2 fingers, 3 fingers.
This one's pretty dense. You should try this.
Oh yeah.
Wait a minute.
Wait, this is considerably heavier. Oh wait, it's like half an inch thick.
Oh.
This is a half an inch thick.
Wait, we have a lot.
I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try
Sauce
this
it,
real
man.
quick.
Do you want me to hold?
Oh my god. Okay, it was bringing out.
Just wanna make sure.
This is heavy.
Wow.
Perfect.
Wait, can I?
Maybe
Oh,
like
that's
15 pounds, I
Let
think.
me see if I can do this. Oh wait!
I'm like, go, don't drop it.
The look of panic you
I
gave
saw you
me.
like, are you sure you gave me crap?
Dude.
Can you hold it like this?
Okay.
Yeah, now curl it. Basically, rotate your wrist and just bring it up like that. Just bring your wrist up.
We'll put it together.
Your wrist should be pointing to the sky, not to the ground.
Because it looks like it's kind of hard to take out.
Yeah, you can only curl it.
Wait, it's like we're supposed to curl up.
Basically, the difference between a bicep curl versus a hammer curl.
Oh,
A hammer curl,
like
pick,
this.
yeah, exactly. A bicep curl is like this.
Oh, that's so interesting. Wait, let me see about. But this is all one piece, right?
This is two pieces.
Wait, located is wrist training for clapping.
You know how we're talking
It
about
is.
metal?
This thing's like 15 pounds, maybe 20.
Like sheet metal, right?
It's pretty heavy.
That could work.
I'm low-key cheating. I'm definitely using my elbow or something.
Yeah, you are, because your whole arm is moving. Yeah. Well, okay, you're still cheating. I see it.
Okay, we're done. I'm sweating.
This is a workout.
This is such an upgrade from our high school physics project. High school physics project, legit. We have our first. Oh no! Wait, is this supposed to be like that?
It's like, so what they did is they basically manufactured it in different pieces and then they glued it together. They glued it together.
Oopsie.
That's so sad.
But it looks like the glue fell off.
So it's just glue.
Yeah.
That doesn't sound sturdy.
That also means
No, this
that
is
fell
just for a
out.
prototype though.
Oh, wow.
that's gonna be like the point of weakness on a sledgehammer test.
True. Well,
okay.
this is something
well,
we'll have to talk to the manufacturer about.
Refund.
refund. I was gonna say.
Time. That's not
Do we
good.
just super glue that ourselves?
We could. It's just not gonna be as good.
This is the back part. Our logo right there.
It's so fucking clean.
Wow.
That's a back. That's an actual back.
Wow. Wait, actually, this is so nice.
It's so nice.
Oh my god, I think it's a good shot.
Careful.
No, why is this heavy?
Honestly, it looks like Gundam.
Okay, this. Oh wait, Gundam.
It looks like Gundam to me.
Okay, this is curlable.
Curl. Gotta be careful. This shit's sharp.
Yeah, I know. I poked it.
Okay.
It's okay. Wow.
Limited edition Gundam run.
Just collect the back panels.
Alright, T. It is now.
Bruh.
Assembly
I know. Wait.
They're making me assemble this without instructions, and then I'm the.
It's a perfect user test case. You know? It's about user friendliness.
Okay.
If you
Okay.
can't figure it out, then the design is stuck enough.
All right. This is a test case. Let's put this
You know what? I'll go back to my old saying. It's kind of self-explanatory.
He always says that in college. It's like, it's self-explanatory, and we're all like, this clown.
This piece is kind of cool, honestly.
It's super nice, right?
It's the barcode scanner and the
Like windows.
So this goes here.
plastic cover.
I'll give you this one for free.
Oh.
I'll give you this one for free because it's kind of hard to tell. It goes underneath
Oh.
like that.
You know what that reminded me of?
It fits perfect.
Biology class with the under the microscope thing.
So like
Oh,
You
the
know what?
slides?
The slides, yeah. That's a very immediate thought.
So underneath here, you would screw that in.
Oh, wait, show.
You would screw that in.
Yeah, this looks like the
I'll
lab
procure-
slides under the microscope, but just thick. Wait, so I guess slide it in, and the screws is just to keep it in place, right?
Yes, the screws are there to keep it in place, but everything will connect together. Good luck.
Oh, I see it.
Ah.
Oh,
the
where
bottom.
does this go? Oh.
Here's the bottom.
I see.
Okay.
Wait. Oh, I don't want to.
Don't worry about scratches. This shit's bulletproof.
As we have a broken one in the corner.
Dude, no. What
I know.
broke was the glue. What broke was the glue, not the polycarbonate itself.
Like that.
Yes. Okay.
It just slides in. So our product designer, aka CEO, aka networker, aka everything for
I
now.
wear a lot of hats. They always say that.
The CEO wears a lot of hats. He made this user-friendly enough that you can just slide it in. No, but it's good though.
You got it. I believe in you.
I recommend a rotation.
Yep.
In some way, shape, or form.
Shapes match up with shapes.
Yeah, I think so too.
Where does this go?
Oh!
That was the wrong kind of rotation.
Where does the rectangle go?
The circle.
Circle.
Recommend a rotation and a reflection.
Wait.
This piece?
Rotation reflection.
The square hole.
The first side.
Which accent?
The first side you were on was the right side, but the
Oh,
rotation.
like this.
No, you got no, because you can't see this. Look, take a look at what this side looks like.
Oh,
Look at
wait.
this.
I'll give you a hint. That's actually the wrong side.
Oh, okay, I was
The other
wrong.
side,
I
other
misled.
Ah.
Is this-
There
Okay.
you go. Okay.
Does this thing slide in?
Well, it isn't. It just slots in there.
Got it.
Nice. Okay. And now
Now
one's
same
basically
thing.
identical. Oh,
Oh, okay. Ignore the fact the screws aren't in, but basically that.
it's there. It's
Oh.
there. What matters is it fits and it's clean.
It should
Oh
just
my
kind
God.
of. Wait.
I'd
and
recommend
then-
putting this panel in first because it's kind of hard to reach before.
Wait, what does this do? Is this at the front?
No.
I would call this the inner back panel. Does that help?
Oh,
Yes,
right.
the name of this is the back panel. Gotta figure out the other.
I've never seen. Oh, it's just packaging. I've never. Wait, Loki, why have I never seen this panel when we did the other stuff?
Because it's on the inside. You don't see it.
True, it is on the inside.
Wait, should I
Actually,
put
you know
it
what?
in
Let's take this
first?
out first. Take
Yeah, I should. Okay, put it in first. I don't know what it was.
I recommended 180 rotation.
What a rotation.
So there's grooves here. Look, take a look at the bottom.
Oh, the two thingy in the bottom, right? Two thingy in the bottom.
I would flip it again, other way. Because you see the angles of this.
Is it not the two thingy
You see
here?
how the trapezoid shape is like the inside is the pointy side?
Huh?
Look at the bottom.
Look at the bottom of the
this
panel.
piece.
Look at the bottom of the
Right there.
panel.
Yeah, this is here.
Yeah, no. Look at the look at
It's
the
a
look at the way
trapezoid.
it looks.
It's not a
the
square.
shape, the
Like,
shape of it.
Look at
Oh,
Yeah.
oh. Wait, the top.
It needs to
this
fit like a
way.
trapezoid this
Okay.
way.
Yeah, there you go.
I didn't realize. I don't know if it fits.
Uh-oh.
Oh wait, okay, you just gotta squeeze it in a little bit.
Oh, okay. Oh, I thought it was-
Is It's like a very tight fit.
It is a very tight fit.
Am I supposed to push it in? Am I gonna break anything?
Push it down first, I'd say. Push it down.
It's down.
Okay, and then push back. It should be fine.
No.
Alright, wait, let me check this.
Fit in the slot.
Wait, this is. I don't want to break.
Mr. CEO time.
You see how it like kind of just comes back?
I got what you mean. It's a very tight fit. So you have to push it all the way down.
Oh,
That
I
would
put
fit.
down.
And here, I believe, is probably the reason why it's not fitting as well is probably because of the glue. It's like a slight top. I did not make any tolerances with this thing.
Oh,
That's a
the
pop.
snap.
Oh, and you would screw this in basically.
Oh, because there's the thingy in the back, right?
Yeah,
like
you screw this.
The block in the back.
You screw this in, that stays in place.
Ah. Oh, that's a nice sound.
All right, now.
And now we do this.
Wait, no.
Wait,
Gotta
where's
put the sides back.
These back. Here you go.
The sides. Yeah.
You know what this looks like? It looks like a untextured blender model.
I see it.
Right? It's just straight white.
Honestly, the white one's very clean. Like,
It does.
I would kind
It
of
does.
keep mine white.
I mean, we're
We
gonna
should have
spray
a white
paint.
option.
We're gonna spray paint this to make it look nicer though.
Oh. We should still have a white option.
Yeah.
I think spray paint and white.
Clean girl aesthetic. Alright, the
Gotta fit
satisfying.
right in.
Final satisfying part. Gotta fit this groove.
Turn.
Give it a good twist.
Do the 180 rotation.
Oh, wait.
Because grooves on the bottom.
All right.
Wait, yeah, no, I could have figured it out.
It's time. Let's see it.
Perfection at its finest.
gonna be so
actually,
good.
there is no difference. Oh wait, there is a difference.
There is.
No, there's-
oh,
It's
okay.
the bottom of the slot.
The thingy right here.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, make sure you fit both sides in.
Yeah.
Don't push it down too much.
Oh. Okay, maybe I'll hold this.
Oh, yeah,
I'll do the hinges. I'll do the hinges to hold it in place. See, before
hang on.
before this point, the customer would have already had the hinges in place.
Oh, screwed in and everything.
Yeah, so it wouldn't be so like clunky, but
Oh, ready?
okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Are you struggling?
It's kind of tight. Oh.
Oh my god!
It's
Oh
a
my
pretty
god.
tight fit. I'm pretty sure.
I thought it would slide down. Help.
Okay.
Wait. It's like I don't want to push too hard because I don't want to like break, but I like don't know how much strength I should be using. It's crooked.
This will probably never come out.
Yeah, which is why we gotta get this.
Wait, it's crooked. No, it's crooked. Ow.
You need a rubber hammer.
Right?
Rubber mallet.
Oh yeah, we should have a include into the toolbox a little hammer thingy.
A rubber mallet. We're gonna sell a rubber mallet.
Oh wait, Steven, come here.
AVEC branded.
Oh wait, look at this.
Oh,
Nice.
dude.
Wait, even without the screws, it's pretty intact still. Where's the lid?
Where is it? It's over there. The only piece that's actually damaged, and it's not even because of the plastic. It's
Oh
because of
yeah.
It's
That's
so
so
sad.
sad.
I'm so sad, man. Unfortunate, but you know what? I'll put it on top anyways, cause. And
Fit right into there.
right there. Oh yeah.
Wait, we can never open this now. Wait, don't put it all the way.
Oh,
we
wait,
can't
you're
open
right.
it. We can't
Oh,
open
you're right,
it.
you're right.
Cause like here, so it fits in like inside
Perfectly.
perfectly. We always struggle with.
So it would theoretically open like this. Let's turn this around so it doesn't have the broken hinge on camera. There you go.
So if we close this all the way, it would fit into a slot right there, and it could not open.
It would fit.
It would fit like a
It'll be machine
perfectly seamless.
Oh my god.
Wait.
That's so nice. And now it's stuck. Good job, T.
Oh, you can get it from the broken hinge. No?
Yeah, we
No,
have. I think
no,
we have a
no.
broken hinge.
I'm just kidding, because we could literally just slide this out.
Ah.
Because there's no hinge.
We did it!
Very nice.
Yay! I did some help, but for the most part, it is kind of self-explanatory.
It is self-explanatory. That's the point.
Non-engineer approved.
It has to be user-friendly. User-friendly.
Non-engineer approved. You don't need a manual for this.
Soon.
Kind of.
Soon we'll have this at every single household. To your household. At some point.
Cool. Okay.
Fantastic.